Hi, so today we're going to talk about Flipgrid. This is a great way to get verbal responses from your students, and then they can go in and watch them and then respond to them as well. So first, I've got a couple groups set up, but I want to walk you through that. You're going to click Add Group and create a group. You're going to name your group. So I'm just going to name it Test 123, which is super original. Choose your theme. They have lots of pictures. Oh, this is nice. You can link to something if you want. I only have people I approve can link things, so that's kind of a good thing. And then you can even link it to Google Classroom if you want, and then you sign in with Google to do that. That's totally optional. I like that, but if you just want to link to your group, you definitely can do that too. So I'm going to show you that. So you're going to go ahead and create your group, and then it gives you this link. So if you're like, oh man, I really wanted to do Google Classroom, well, it still gives you that link here as well. So I would just copy that link and paste it into Google Classroom. And if you ever forget, you can always copy the link as well. So if I want to go in and respond to that, let's see, this would be your join code. See, one member. Let's see. So you've got your group. You want to add your topic first. So if I do assignment 1, right, for them to respond, and then this is about our fall project or our spring project or whatever. And then you can add any information. You can add a video, you can add an image, a GIF, an upload. You can set the recording time. This is important because it goes all the way up to 10 minutes now, where it used to be like 30 seconds. I like to shoot for 45, and I tell them 30 seconds of content and then 15 seconds to kind of wrap it up and maybe ask a question for discussion. And then you can also save these changes to default for every time you post. So that's optional. Before you post your topic, there's also a settings button. You make sure it's active, or you can say you want to hide it and you want to post it later if you're just getting a bunch done right away. And then you have a start date and end date. I don't usually set an end date. I just go in and delete them if I've graded them all and it's on the last quarter. You can also allow comments or text comments or video comments only. I like to do video comments only just because I'm going to go through and watch all of them. And then again, it's going to have you double check that you want that recording time as 45 seconds. Then within the responses, allow people to attach links. I don't want that. Allow download and share. I don't want them downloading each other's videos. Who knows what they'll use them for. I am going to allow likes on videos, and I'm going to display view content. So if there's one that's watched 30 times, maybe they need to go on and watch a different one. And then the camera, I'm going to let them have different filters and backdrops. They can add sticky notes if they want. They can add frames or boards or even text, as long as it's not too chaotic. So I'm going to kind of leave that up to them. I just love that sense of expression when they're filming, and students really do enjoy that as well. And then there's a guest password. I don't ever use that. That's kind of if you're sending it out and people are going to have trouble finding the link and you just really want them to have it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and post my topic. Again, you can share it to Google Classroom, or you can copy that and send out your topic. Then if I wanted to respond to this, I'm going to go back to my group and my assignment. And you can, before we get to that, you can duplicate your topic, you can move it, you can delete it, you can export all the data, you can then record a response, which is what we're going to do here in a minute, or you can submit it to Discovery. Discovery is something that you can search on here, and honestly, that could be a whole nother video in and of itself, of things that are already published so that you can show them in class for your content. So if I wanted to go ahead and record a response, I would go ahead and do that. I'm going to allow it to view it. Hi, there I am. There's my camera. It's on my other one. You can choose your background. You can choose your effects. That's what students go through when they're doing it. If I can get this to load, I guess it's frozen. But that's basically how it does it, and you walk it through it. So there's the background, and then you go ahead and record it. Test, test, test. Here I am. And you can go on and click next. They can then edit it, and then they can do their caption. I have them do their name, and then they're done. And that's it.